wanted to take a few moments to talk about the inversions of dominant chords that are really useful and are a great place to start mapping the fingerboard for yourself. I know, just speaking personally, that when I think of A7, I'm thinking of a line of A7 based on knowing the note names, the chord tones in this chord. In this case, in A7, we need a root, a third, a fifth, and a flat 7. So from A, that means A. I'll go 5th string open. A major third is C sharp. Then we need a 5th, which is, we're always using the major scale as our measuring stick. So here's a 5th up the major scale of A. So E. Then we need a flat 7. So the flat 7 is not our do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. It's not this leading tone 7 that's a half step under 1. It's a flat 7. So it's a whole step below 1. It's intrinsic to the blues and a lot of these resolutions. I think right away you recognize that sound. That's the flat 7 below. So different from the major 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So what we're going to do is find some inversions that link up in a line. So starting here, this is with the 3rd, 2nd, and 4th finger. We're on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings. So this is going to be 12, 11, 12. This is a little A7 form that you might know if you know C7. It's the same lower 3 pitches. So right below 7, here on the 12th fret, we have 6 if we want it. If you listen to George Gershwin, you'll hear a lot of these sounds where we're playing between neighbor pitches in chord tones and a neighbor pitch maybe. So here, keeping it simple, actually I'll just give you the block inversions. So 12, 11, 12. This is one you might not know. It's a great one to know. This is 10, 11, 9, just 3-note voicing. We're on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings. That's A7 over G. It's a little Lenny Bro sound. If you put the ninth degree up there on the 12th fret of the 2nd string. So the next in a row is A7 over E. This is 7, 5, 4, same strings. Now A over C sharp, no 7th present. We could put it on the 8th fret if we want, but we're just going to have 9, 7, 9 on strings 6, 4, and 3. Now we're going to have A7 with the root in the bass, A. 5, 5, 6. I'm just playing it with a bar. Can walk between them. You can either reach up here. Resolve to D. If you reach up, so I'm playing 5, 5, 6, adding the 4th degree. Now here's A over C sharp as we saw, 9, 7, 9. And you can either, if you can reach it, add the 6th degree on the 3rd string, or we can get it here on the 2nd string if you want that phrase. It does set up the resolution. Now this is a beautiful second inversion chord. Second inversion means we have the 5th in the bass. This is 5, 4, and 7 on the 6th, 4th, and 3rd strings. So that's D major over A. Then just to carry on the line, A7 over G. So this is 3, 2, 2, 2 if you want. On the 6th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings. 3, 2, 2. And D, first inversion. This is 6th string, 2nd fret, open string 4, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Get some nice contrary motion. It's the essence of that 5-to-1 sound, is the sound of this contrary motion line. Running some lines. So what you'd come away with is a bass line like that, and we're just using these little voicings. I hope this has been of some interest and can fill in some gaps if you were wondering about inversions. There's many more, of course, but this is just dealing with some very full sounding ones, basic ones, so that when you're in one position, say you have a root position dominant chord, you're aware that these other things live above. That real quick is 5, 5, 6, 9, 7, 7, 12, 11, 12, 15, 14, 14, all on the 6th, 4th, and 3rd strings. And you'll want to see them like that all in a row, and just keep them in your vision of the fingerboard as you're playing and thinking about where to go next and following your ear. Again, I hope this has been of interest. Please let me know if you have questions, comments, or suggestions for other kinds of short video lessons, and I'll see what I can do. Wishing you a very good day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.